Hello everyone, I'm PG Legoman and welcome back to another LEGO City update. In today's video, I'm going to be working on this section of my city, redoing the sidewalks and also moving the buildings around and fixing some of the buildings. As you can see back here, I was trying to do the wires, but they got messed up and unfortunately the roof fell off, so I'm going to fix that. And then over here, I have to get this gas station out of the city because unfortunately there isn't any room in the current layout. And then over here I need to clean this up. First I cleaned out this area so now you can see the streets, and I moved the vehicles over here, the excess stuff over here, and then I also had some building instructions that I moved down there. Now you can see the street layout, and I want to change this up. So I don't want there to be a curve here, and the street will be removed. Then these buildings will be rotated over here. Now I have all my buildings separated out here. I cleaned out all the wires from the detective's office, and I also removed the roads that were going this way. So now I'm going to rearrange the buildings and then finish out the new layout. I finished placing all the buildings, and now you can see that I have a block that looks like the one I have over here with 2 rows of 3 buildings, and then I just kept this building in the center. So this area looks a lot more complete now, and the last thing I want to do today is just move the cars around to make it look more fresh. Here's the final product. I moved the cars that are 8 studs wide over to this empty area as a little car show. As you can see, the new building layout with Assembly Square, the diner, Brick Bank, Parisian restaurant, and the detective's office. Unfortunately, I didn't get to finishing the roof that broke off, but I'll do that in another video. And then you can just see all the cars were moved around into new areas. Only a couple were in the same spot. And then over here you can see how there's this extra junk that actually goes to the pet shop, and that will probably be with the video where I fix the roof of the detective's office. But that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe, and have a good day. Bye.